Welcome to the Specialty Products Company installation video for the 72115 BMW X5 rear camber arm. Use part number 72115 for a pair of arms to correct both sides of the vehicle, 72116 for the right side, or 72117 for the left. This pair of forged aluminum arms will let you set camber exactly where you want it. They feature bonded rubber bushings and booted adjustable ball joints to maintain factory ride quality and limit noise, vibration, and harshness. BMW X5s are notorious for running negative camber and wearing tires. Use these adjustable rear upper control arms to change camber from -1 degree to +3 degrees. This inventive design by SPC allows both fixed and adjustable ends for easier installation and alignment. Always follow proper safety precautions associated with all the equipment used in this video. Read the installation instructions thoroughly. Loosen, then center factory camber adjustment cam on inboard end of rear lower control arm. By centering the cam, it will be easier to make fine alignment adjustments after the upper control arm is installed. Determine camber change needed. Jack rear vehicle by frame and remove tire and wheel assembly. For easiest alignment, install and zero part number 81139 SPC magnetic camber gauge. Carefully remove ABS wire tray from upper control arm by prying up plastic latches. Position tray and wires to side as to not to damage any wiring. Remove OE upper control arm per manufacturer's procedure. If you have an airbag style suspension, you will need to deflate the airbags with an electronic scanner tool. If you have a spring style suspension, you may need to use a jack or coil spring compressor to remove the control arm. Using a tie rod separator, SPC part number 8370 or similar, remove spherical washer from the tie rod end of the original equipment upper control arm. Place spherical washer onto stud of SPC upper control arm. Install the bushing end of the upper control arm into the frame bracket. Snug bolts but do not tighten. Use appropriate of 2 holes for desired camber adjustment range versus the original equipment arm. Install the ball joint end into the knuckle, snug bolt but do not tighten. Obtain desired camber change by turning hex of ball stud on outer end of SPC arm. When desired alignment change shows on magnetic camber gauge, tighten nut to 60 pound-feet. Install original equipment wire tray onto SPC upper control arm. Install tire and wheel assembly and lower vehicle. Torque inboard upper control arm bolt to manufacturer's specification. If additional adjustment of camber is needed, it is easiest to use the factory adjustment cam that was centered at the beginning of the process. Always check for proper clearance between suspension components and other components of the vehicle. Complete alignment and road test the vehicle.